因为它这里的福利比较好，因为这里的人也不错了，人事啊，才逗留这么久。
Previously, my job is logistics, and working in the logistics for almost 20 years. And I have a retrenchment. Later on, very hard for me to get back to the logistics, so I applied for the security guard job. But the people look down on me. I don't care. As long as I got a job, I'm happy with that. Our school campus is quite a big area. So previously, we had to walk around, patrolling the area. Last time, we only have 6 cameras. So now it's about 60 cameras. So we can monitor very closely. The technology make my job is more easier and keep everyone safe.
现在用 scan 当然好过以前快很多了，又可以有 record。他改次再来我 scan 一次，就他什么东西都出来了，不用我麻烦了。顺比较顺，没有每次这么疲劳嘛，减轻你的工作压力了，减轻很多了。现在又有这么先进的东西，就没有这么辛苦了咯，回家都没有这么辛苦嘛。
I'd certainly encourage other people to look into WorkPro, and some people who've been with us for many years see that these WorkPro programs have enabled them to improve what they're doing for the school, and I think they certainly feel better about the work that they're doing, and I think a sense that we've given them the tools they need to be an asset to the institution.